So I want to show you how this new feature that generates videos instantly works. If you go in, I'm in right now, I chose mobile video, and you can see all the templates down here. And up here at the top is generate videos instantly. So I'm going to click on that. As you can see, once I click on that, it says select at least 3 files to add to your video. So I'm going to do a quick one on social media video dimensions. And then it says describe the type of video you want. We'll use this to generate a design. Okay, so my video is going to be about different dimensions for different platforms. Choose the best format for the social media platform. And I'm just going to click generate. And you can see it generates the video pretty quickly. So I do get a little message letting me know that the feature is new and they're still testing it. So I go over here and here's my video. It includes also the music, and here we go. Okay, so there you go. Now, I did have to go in and make some adjustments, which is really easy with Canva, moving the text down and moving some things around to create my final video. But this gave me a really, really good start in creating the final version. And this is the final version. So you can see, although I did have to do some adjustments, it did give me a basic format, a basic draft of the video that I could easily edit and refine to create this final video.